Hello everyone and welcome back. So this week we're turning this green medium fedora into this. Something that I usually take out around this time of year because gold and green go really well together, but also it's kind of a little bit Christmassy. So we're gonna make this today. I'm also gonna add burnt oranges to the band because I always think that looks really nice with green. So let's get on with it. What do you think? Super cute? As always, I love how these hats turn out. The gold, the green, and the burnt orange just looks really good together. So I'm very happy with that. And it's going to go into the shop. So if you're interested in getting one of these, head on over to the shop. Or not getting one of these, getting this hat, because there's only going to be one. So cute. Well, as always guys, thanks for coming and hanging out. I hope you guys have a lovely weekend and are very creative, I guess, because that's what we're about on this channel. Also, if you guys haven't been getting notifications, please push the bell, because something super weird happened on YouTube for the past 2 weeks. And I haven't even hit 100 views, which is very odd. One of the videos only got to 53 views, I think, which is definitely not like this channel. You guys all know that that's not right. So please hit the bell button. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or even leave me a comment, because I love chatting to you guys. So thanks for coming and hanging out, guys, and I will see you next week.